As we can see, the market is trying to complete its two. It's A, B, and C. After C, we will confirm the pattern and then open our position. Before this, we can visit our MEXC International, and you can open it and see there are a lot of rewards in the MEXC, like deposit rewards, like if you refer someone, or winning rewards, etc. You can grab it. This is monthly reward, Ethereum Eco Month, share 1 million and rewards. You can see a lot here. These events you can check, you can spin and win. In Mix International, you can also check like uh, tokens with zero fee, for which you don't have to pay any fee. Now we are in demo account, so it's not visible here, but in real account you can check. When you click on the USDTM, you will see that zero fee token. I think almost 99 tokens are listed on this exchange. So where you can trade up to 30 lakh dollars, and you can save your fee as your income. I'm waiting for this confirmation. If the market completes its second wave, then I will open my trade for the third one. There can be two possibilities. If it's C, then the market will go upside and will continue this one. But if it's not C, it's like part of the previous pattern, then it will fall down. So we'll put our stop loss on this position. This will be our stop loss, but this time we are waiting for confirmation. On another indicator, we can see that the market turning point is this one. If the market falls below this point, then we should not go for in a long position, in a long trade. It can be seen in the market in the previous 2 3 days. It has sharply declined and almost lost its value by, you can see this this fall was about in few hours. As you can see that it was in 20 November, 9 o'clock, and then on the next day 1 o'clock, you can see almost in the 13 hours the market lost almost 92,000, and it won $10,000, which is a big move. This time we don't expect any uh, pumping in the market, as uh, there is a lot of pressure, selling pressure in the market. You can see that um, the red candles, but this breakup structure, this can provide us the option, the opportunity to open a position. We can also check liquidity. You can check liquidity by visiting coinglass.com, and you have to click on model one. The market is almost reached the second second point, which was a turning point for us, but we'll wait before opening any long position. We have to wait it's completed. It's B. We can say that it was A, this is B, and the C is bit down here. So I will, if the market re- reverses from this position, then I will open my long position with a stop loss on this point. But if it falls below this, then I will avoid any long position in this situation. Okay, we are discussing liquidity. So you have to open coinglass.com and click on model one. And 24 hours, you have to click on the symbol. And this is Bitcoin. You can check any symbol here, Ethereum, Solana, etc. In the market, you can see that liquidity lies below 84,000. There's very small liquidity on the upside, like 87,500, 400, 86,900, 86,600. But on the lower side, you can see that on 83,000, you have 44 million liquidity, 16 million, 25 million, 42 million, and 39 million. It's almost more than 500 million liquidity on the downside. And it's expected that the market will grab all these liquidities before jumping into this position. But if the market is moving about this point, which is 86,900, then we can expect that the market will uh, grab this liquidity. It's like 87,500, or short we can say that 87,800, 900. But still, the market, it looks like the market is going down to grab all these liquidities. So we are waiting. If the market reverses from this position, from this point, this one, we can take it to Feb level, which is 61%. If it reverses from 61%, then it's okay. We can open our long position, but we'll have to wait till this line. In the coin loss, you can check live liquidities. You can check the whales and the funding rates, interest rates, etc. You can simply search here. Hyperwell Tiger. From this point, you can check that about 2.07 billions are in the long side and 2.35 are in the short side. The longs are being in losses, shorts in profit. You can also check that which it is, which one has open a position. You can check it by the time. This is 2023. The oldest one position which is open is in the profit of 6.3k, and the recent one is in the short position, 12.1 million position. He's in the loss. He's in with the profit of 1.76 million. but half have been paid in the funding fee. This one is also in the short position, but he has in losses. From here, you can see that most of the traders are in short. You can check. Very few long positions are open in this time. You can also check that who has the most profit in this position. This one is 32 million, and this one is in 20 million loss. It's long in Ethereum. He is open its position with 32.01, and he will be liquidated at 24.59. So we have to only check the recent position which are open. We can check this one. He has a profit of 1.73 million. The market is almost on 61%, and it looks like the market is going down. So we should avoid our long position at this point. If the market moves below this point, this one, then we will plan a short position. This time we have to avoid it, or we can try a small short with this if the stop loss is on this point, but it's not confirmed. So I think we should wait. It will be a risky one. Also remember one point that 61% is general and 78% is also a good strategy. Some people trade at this point when the market touches 78%. It looks like the market reverses from 61%, so we are going to open a small short long position, and our stop loss should be on this point, which is 85, 30, 33. We have to wait for the candle. If it closes again, then we will open long. If we see a pattern in this position, then we can open long, but this time I think we should wait as the market is in consolidation state and no confirmation is here, so we'll wait. It looks like the 61% validation point. The market tries to reverse from this point. We can see like move like this, and that position. It's also possible. Sometimes the market just manipulates, like it does the low point, and the traders open long position, having stop losses at that position. The market hits all the stop losses and then move in the same direction again. So we have to wait to confirm the entry first, if third wave is started or not. I'm working on the Elliott wave. Uh, I will introduce to you what is the Elliott. Elliott wave is a strategy which is used by traders, which is like in five waves. Market moves always in waves. Like there must be one, two, three, four, five. This is called impulse. The impulse contains five elements, like one wave, then correction, then wave, then consolidation, then wave. After this, the market moves in the opposite direction with ABC, which is called correction. This is complete one wave. As you can see in uh, the market is trying to move in the opposite direction, and have it looks like it has completed its C wave, like I mean the second wave correction. If this is completed, then market will move in the third wave, and in Elliott wave, the longest wave, the profitable wave is third wave. If someone captures this one, then he makes a lot of profit. Most of the traders loses their money in this corrective wave. In the correction, if you open like if you are in a short position at this point, if in this point you open any short position, you are in profit. You hold the profit, then it hits your stop loss. Then you think that the market is moving in the upward direction, then you open any long position. The market again hits your stop loss, then moves downward. Then you open short position here. The market moves again in the upside. When stop loss is hit at this point, your stop loss was on this point. So the market hits, and you think that the market is moving in the upward direction. But again, the market falls down and hits your stop loss again. When you think that now there are big candles and the market is going down, so you are going to open short position, then the market again moves in the upward direction. So this in this way market manipulates you in the correction. But if you see any impulse wave, in impulse you can see that the market moves in one single direction. There is no like a zigzag movement, etc. The market moves in the one direction, and you can see it. So you have to find the impulse wave in every trade for yourself. You want to make the profit. So now we are waiting for a clear impulse. I'm going to open a long position with a stop loss below 78%. At this point, 85,600. With a stop loss of 85,600, there are a chance of $400. I'm gonna open it. This is a bit risky trade, but I'm trying to capture this impulse. You can see the profit is almost $19. The target will be, I can expect like you can find your target by using this tool, Fib level, and the expected profit should be like in this, which is 87,200. The selling pressure increases, so on this point, we will exit the trade if the market reverses from this position. But hope so is it looks like on this indicator also the market is above the turning point and it is expected that we will achieve our target very soon. Please make sure for practicing through MEXC you have to use only demo account with small balance like I have used only $3,000. So do not use like you have to practice with small balance 2,000, 3,000, which will look like real balance for you. When you practice with it you will be in profit in the with the real money, and it will be easy for you to handle the pressure and the market psychology. Again, I am saying that this is only demo trading. and we are practicing Bitcoin analysis with the Elliott wave. You do not have to open any position with the your real money real account. This is only for demo practice for new users only. I was showing you that Elliott wave works with the five waves like two correction and three impulses. This is one, this is two, this is three. These are impulses and these are consolidations or corrections in the downward direction. So no one can catch this one, wave 1, until it is completed by wave 2 and confirmed by wave 3. Now it is only supposed that this is 1. It is not like it's we cannot say that this is 1 unless it reaches this position. This what I am saying that suppose that this is third wave or impulse. If it crosses this line, then I can say that yes, it is wave one, that is two, and that is, this one is third one. But this time I am just assuming that this is one, this is two. So that's why I am using stop loss on this position. If the market moves above this point, which is 86,400, then I can say that yes, this was one, and this is two, and this is third one. So if I figure out that this is third, then I can find my target also by 161%. This will be my first target, this will be my second, and this will be a third one. Third one is on 89. Also, I can assume this fifth wave, this can also move above, but it is not yet confirmed uh, unless the third one is not completed. Also, I can use a trend line indicator on this, a trend line on this side. If the market falls below this line, then I will have to exit my trade. Second target in the confirmation can also be on this side. If the market reaches to this point, like this one, then I will book my profit here. But again, I am saying that market must move above this point for confirmation. If it moves above this line, then it will confirm that the market is an uptrend and our long position is in right direction. So we can put stop loss on the 0 point, entry point, and we can hold our trade for till fifth wave. If it is not confirmed, the market may reverse before this point in this area, so we'll exit. As you can see that in impulse there is like no sharp movement. You will see the market will move in one direction. On 1 minute it was small impulse, now we cannot say that the market has reversed, but we can say in the third wave there are always five, and each like this in each impulse there are five waves. So we can open this one, and again in this on small time frame there can be like 1 2 3 4 5, and also uh, into this is normal in the market and essential part of the impulse. But on small time frame, like 1 minute, there is a manipulation, and most of the time the strategy doesn't work. So we must use this, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, or 1 hour, which will be very. It can be seen that the market is moving in the upward direction, and if it touches this line, then uh, we will put our stop loss on the entry point. Now we have almost on $110. You can check the profit, which is $142, and our stop loss was on $400. So we have almost on 25% of the trade. So we have to hold this up to like 200 and 300%.